good enough. She'll be disappointed, I think, Stanoska, with that run. Righto, Martina Satkova. The Satkova sisters from Czechia. They do a lot of wild water paddling. They love being on the water. And they always give a strong showing in canoe competitions. So Satkova really got pushed way down, further down than she would have liked on that gate there. She had to paddle back to get up through gate 7. How much time did that cost her? Let's see what. Nice and clean, no penalties yet for Martina Satkova from Czechia. Her sister Gabby, of course, also a formidable talent. Made the final at the World Championships last year, Gabby Satkova. Martina has also been a regular finalist at World Cup levels. And her time here, well, she's clean, and that's the important thing. That's the important starting point. Can she finish it off? The tall Czechian Martina Satkova looking in control. Just ticks over to the 100-second mark. These last 3 gates, can she go sub 120? Can she give herself a look in? It's going to be very close for Satkova. It is Ellis Miller who's gone through. Andrea Herzog